I promise you can have it all, girl.
YouTube, what is up? What is good, you guys? It's the Boul Nate. Shout out to the Boul Nation. Hope y'all feeling good. I'm feeling good. And also, this is the first video with the new camera. So let me know. Is the quality better? Is it about the same? Just let me know. I mean, obviously I'm excited to finally use it. I've been doing a lot of reaction videos, so I've been using my webcam, but now sit down video like this, I could use the camera. But I mean, so far I think I do a little better, a little more crispy. But today we got an unboxing and we got another Yeezy unboxing. So this one is kind of interesting because I got this. Well, actually, thing is, it was kind of like right place, right time, because good thing I was A, not busy, and 2, by my phone, because the confirmed ad gave me like a notification that like I have exclusive access. I'm like, oh shoot. So then like I literally when I got to the page on the app, I'm like, I saw a pair of shoes, like, all right, let me buy it. But thing is, like, I was kind of telling myself that I wasn't trying to buy anything else, like, because obviously with the holidays, I still buy gifts and just have money, and then also like a precursor. I will be heading on a trip beginning of December, so I'm like, dang, I got trip and this, but I'm like, hey, when you kind of get blessed like this, you gotta go for it. So I did. So I have a pair of 700s here, but not the 700s, the 700s MNVN. So the MNVN, so apparently I saw 3 different names for that. So one says minivan, 2 I'm looking at right now says MNVN, and that's going to the Yeezy Mafia. Then the third one I saw was a modern version. So I'm like, if you know what it means, let me know in the comments, because I'm like, I don't know what it is. But as we go over the box, it's got the 700 logo on there, boost here. So it's pretty similar to the 350 box. I also got the thing there. And also, I bought true to my size 11, because on the app, that's pretty much like right in the middle, because it had like small, like run small, run large, and then like true to size. So it was true to size. So I got me a size 11. And take the bad boys out. Let me clear some room here. Won't do any stupid. Yeah, Sersky. And yeah, okay. Got a pair of 700s in a triple, pretty much like a triple black colorway. You know, look like the actual like midsole is a little lighter than the actual upper sole, but yeah, like a big reason why I wanted, I really got these shoes, like gravitated towards shoes, because of the triple black colorway. Because I know other versions of shoes like this is like orange, they got like a light blue color, like a cyan kind of color, but I'm like, having an all black shoe is amazing, especially since it's like in the Yeezy, so you already know it's gonna be comfortable. I mean, honestly, I will try on the, like, I will have it on feet later on too in the video, but yeah, like, this is the thing. At the same time, like, this is a very interesting shoe. Like, first, like, obviously it has the 700 logo on the side. You know, not overpowering, but it's there. But yeah, like, it's kind of like it has like a I'm trying to think material, but it kind of like a I keep on saying like a sheet, but it's like a kind of like a light material here. Then you got like a pretty thick midsole, and then obviously you got the here they got a bunch of like boost like showing up throughout the thing. Like it's kind of like a moon crater. But another thing is it don't really have laces. Like you see, like, well, got the way. But yeah, so like you see this, like it's kind of more like a bungee cord kind of thing. Like it doesn't really have a sole. So that's probably the most interesting thing. Worried about the shoe for real. But I mean, besides that, like I said, this is a pretty good like everyday shoe to wear. Guess another thing we'll point out, I guess, is like thing here. You got the little, like it's kind of like a more material here, or kind of like the holes, but yeah, I like it. I mean, it look things like it looks kind of small, but I honestly think it will probably fit like at least just right. The other shoe here, same thing, but yeah, I think, like I said, I like the shoe. I need something all black, so it all makes sense. It all makes sense. So I'm gonna try these on, and then let you know how it goes. Alright, I am back, and hopefully I enjoyed a quick little on feet. Also, now another little touch. I wanted to show you the the Adidas logo in there. But yeah, like this is literally a perfect all black shoe for like kind of like everyday wear. Just doing real quick, maybe go to the store, go to the mall, run wherever errands. Also, they look good enough to go out too, because like I said, like a little bit different shoe, but comabilities there. The fit's perfect too. Size 11 fits perfect. I got enough room. My feet don't feel cramped at all. So, yeah, this is another good shoe from Yeezy, man. Now I got slides, foam runners, 350s, now 700s. So I'm slowly but surely building up my Yeezy collection, building up my thing. But like Yeezy's doing his thing, man. So as always, if you like the video, give a thumbs up. Comment down below what your favorite 700 is, or what your favorite Yeezy is. Subscribe already, and I'll catch you next time.